I love a good one-pot meal. They're so simple and easy and perfect for busy weeknights. And this one is packed with nutrition and it's also so flavorful and delicious. I love using chicken sausage because it saves on prep time and it also adds a really nice flavor. This is a chicken and apple sausage, and this delicious creamy sauce is completely dairy-free. It's made with butternut squash, chicken broth, and some onions and garlic. And then the rice cooks in the sauce, which gives it a really creamy, delicious texture. The recipe is on my blog. It's so creamy.